Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Microsoft Paint not opening in Windows in 2026. First, try opening Paint from the Start menu. If it does not open, use the Windows search box and search for Paint. If Paint still does not open, open Settings, then go to Apps and click Installed Apps. Find Paint in the list and click Advanced Options. Now click the Repair button. Wait a few seconds for Windows to repair the app. After the repair is complete, try opening Paint again. If the problem is not fixed, return to the same page and click the Reset button. This will reset Paint to its default settings. Next, open the Microsoft Store, go to Library and click Get Updates. Install any available update for Microsoft Paint. After updating, restart your computer and try opening Paint again. In most cases, repairing, resetting, or updating Paint will solve the problem. That's it. This is the easiest way to fix Paint not opening in Windows in 2026. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy Windows tutorials.